Ma'am, we have to half the figure.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So when we discuss symmetry, we mean to say that shape will have line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. हम शेप को हाफ करेंगे और अगर हम हाफ्स चेक करते हैं तो एक दूसरे की मिरर इमेजेस होंगी मींस एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइक इफ यू लुक एट योर इमेज इन द मिरर your reflection is exactly like you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone tell me who is Navneet Kaur? Yes.
Ma'am, where you have sent the work?
I've sent the work yesterday in the group. I did not send this. I sent answers of the exercise. This is only to discuss with you. This is not to be done in the copy. Now, every time you want to think of symmetry, always think of the line of symmetry as the fold line. You want to fold your shape along that line, which you think is the line of symmetry. Only then you can say that the line that you have drawn is line of symmetry. अगर आप shape fold करते हो और दोनों parts exactly match करते हैं. That's the only way you can check whether आप जो line सोच रहे हो वो line of symmetry होगी या नहीं होगी. Try folding the shape along that line, and if the two parts match exactly, then you will say that the line that you are thinking of is the line of symmetry. Otherwise नहीं. Mostly shapes में ऐसा होता है कि देख के लगता है कि यहाँ से line draw करेंगे तो line of symmetry बन जाएगी. लेकिन अगर हम वो line draw करते हैं और shape को उसके साथ fold करते हैं तो वो symmetrical नहीं होती. So this is how you can check. If you want, you can do paper cutting and folding activity. That should help. Now, what we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss line symmetry. So if a shape can be folded in half so that one half fits exactly on top of the other. This is what I'm saying when you try to fold a shape. Like if you have a piece of paper, like the notebook's page, you try to fold it. You can fold it vertically, you can fold it horizontally. दोनों तरह से उसके जो halves होंगे वो match करेंगे. So this way you can say that the page has two lines of symmetry. You can fold it vertically, so there will be vertical line of symmetry. You can fold it horizontally, so that means it will have horizontal line of symmetry. And the line or the crease where you fold it, that fold is called the line of symmetry. If you remember last year, we have done such activities. Now this shape here has vertical line of symmetry. They have given you a shape. If you try to fold it, the yellow dotted line is the line along which you will fold it. This is the only way. Can you fold it in any other way where it will be symmetrical?
No, ma'am.
So it will have only one line of symmetry. Yes, that's correct. Now look at this. Is the butterfly symmetrical?
Yes, ma'am.
So that pink line tells you, right? You can see if we fold it, the wings of the butterfly will match exactly. So that line in the middle is the line of symmetry. What do you think about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Non-symmetrical.
No, this is symmetrical. Not all the shells are symmetrical, but some shells will be symmetrical. If you look at the seashells, some of them will be symmetrical, some of them will not be. So there are many which are symmetrical. So I have here a picture which is symmetrical. What do you think about this? These are the sea creatures which are found.
Ma'am, these are symmetrical.
Yes, this one has one line of symmetry. This also has one line of symmetry. What do you think about the starfish?
Ma'am, yes, it also has a line of.
Ma'am, it is also symmetrical.
How many lines do you think it will have?
5.
Yes, that's
Five.
correct.
5.
This is one way, half. You can see. Then there is second one.
Ma'am, 2.
third one,
5.
fourth one, and then fifth one. Now these are some land animals. What do you think about these?
Ma'am, these are also symmetrical.
That's right.
Yes.
If we look at the face of the reindeer, you will
Sabki
see that
one.
it's-
They all
Yes,
have
that's
one
correct.
line of symmetry.
What do you think about
Yes, ma'am.
these?
Ma'am, these are also symmetrical.
That's right. Yes, they are all symmetrical and they have vertical line of symmetry. Now,
One.
if an object is reflected in water, अगर हम पानी में किसी object को
इनमें भी one नहीं है.
what do you think about that? तो line of symmetry कहाँ पे बनेगी जहाँ पे water line होती है. If you ever watch movies, especially cartoons में दिखाते हैं ना कई बार any character is looking at its reflection in the water. The reflection exactly the same as the person or the character who's looking at the reflection. So that will
Yes.
also be line of symmetry. Like this is a rough image, but yes, this is how it will be. The object.
Horizontal symmetrical.
What do you think about this? The Taj Mahal.
Ma'am, it is symmetrical.
Ma'am, this is also symmetrical.
There are many, yes, there are many architectures in the world. बहुत सारी buildings ऐसी होती हैं जो symmetrical होती हैं. And like this is one of the best examples. You can look at the Taj Mahal, the pillars around it, and all the images. Like these are all symmetrical. And they're looking only at the construction part. Don't look at the trees. The Taj Mahal only. So this can be said to be symmetrical along this vertical line, right? Now, you all know there is a river by Taj Mahal. Can anyone tell me which river is that?
Yamuna River.
That's right. Now, what if we look at the reflection of Taj Mahal in the river?
Symmetrical.
It's symmetrical.
Symmetrical.
Now, how many lines do you
Ma'am,
think
it has
there are?
both
Yes, it has
horizontal
both.
and
That's right. It has both
vertical.
horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. Now, which of these signs do you think will have lines of symmetry?
Ma'am, these are also symmetrical.
Just think.
Ma'am, all.
Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
मैम फोर्थ वाले की है, सिक्स्थ वाले की है, सेवेंथ वाले की है.
Is this correct?
No. Ma'am, it will have line of symmetry shape-wise, but not symbol-wise.
Just watch and tell me if these are correct. The rest of the shapes.
30 वाला है मैम. मैम जो 30 वाला है उसमें एक और लाइन नहीं लगेगी मैम स्ट्रेट मैम फर्स्ट वाले में.
हाफ कर दोगे 3 एक तरफ 0 एक तरफ. How do you think that will be symmetrical? What do you think about this one?
मैम A is symmetrical.
Ma'am, you have sent it yesterday.
Ma'am,
E is also
Ma'am, B
symmetrical.
also.
C is also
Ma'am, C
symmetrical.
also.
C also. D also.
Ma'am, C also.
H also.
Ma'am,
D.
D also. Ma'am,
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 E
H.
also.
Ma'am, H.
Now,
Ma'am,
there
H,
is-
I.
Yes, there is one thing we want to observe here. The way K is drawn here. The way K is drawn here, it does not have line of symmetry. But the way I have drawn in the work that I sent to you, that way it's symmetrical. So
मैम
some
वो उन्होंने
letters
आगे से बनाया मैम हमने वहां से बनाया बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल
लाइन से.
सेंटर से, राइट? हमने बिल्कुल सेंटर से ड्रॉ किया है. सेम थिंग अप्लाइज टू y also. अगर हम y ऐसे लिखते हैं, the way it is written here, then it will have line of symmetry. But if we write this way, the way it is written in the word symmetry, symmetry में जैसे y लिखा हुआ है,
मैम उसका नहीं होगा मैम
ऐसा
symmetrical
नहीं
line.
होगा. So you have to be careful. अगर आपको letters के लिए symmetry आती है, तो वो letter कैसे drawn है. So just be a little
मैम
careful.
Z also.
Yes, don't learn it. No बेटा Z की symmetry नहीं होगी. Z को अगर आप vertically, आप you're saying horizontally अगर आप divide करते हो, right? तो उसकी जो नीचे वाली horizontal line है वो right side जा रही है, जो ऊपर वाली horizontal line है, that is going towards the left side. So that it will not have line of symmetry. Okay, now these are few shapes which you have in exercise also. Equilateral triangle. That's
Three.
right. We will have one vertical line, then second one will be right here, then the third one will be right here. 3 lines of symmetry. And what's special about equilateral triangle?
Ma'am, because it is equal from 3 sides.
That's correct, Bhavleen. All 3 sides are equal, all 3 angles are equal. That's why it has 3 lines of symmetry. What do you think about a square?
4.
4 lines.
Oh,
And
once
because
again,
it has 4 sides.
there's 4 equal sides, not just 4 sides, 4 equal sides. All the 4 sides are equal and all 4 angles are also equal. Each angle in the square is 90 degrees. It is symmetrical from everywhere. So it will have 4 lines of symmetry. And what do you think about pentagon?
5 lines of symmetry.
Yes.
5.
Now this is not just a pentagon, this is a regular pentagon.
It is a regular
Regular pentagon means all 5 sides are equal. Now this
Equal.
is very important. The word is regular. अगर regular pentagon होगा तो 5 lines of symmetry बनेगी. अगर simply pentagon होगा, that means it could be any 5-sided figure, right? It may or may not be symmetrical. So you will have to look at the shape. Okay? So I will just go through this, and these are the ones which students make a mistake when they are drawing in the copy. बहुत गड़बड़ होती है जब pentagon draw करना पड़ता है. So this is the first line, right? Then we have the second line. This is the third line. I have put numbers so that
हमने
it's
हर
easier.
कॉर्नर में से एक लाइन मारनी होती है.
Yes, हर कॉर्नर में से मार्क होगी, लेकिन जब कॉर्नर में से मार्क होगी तो वो ऑपोजिट साइड पे नहीं जाती, ऑपोजिट कॉर्नर पे नहीं मैच करती. वो कहाँ पे मैच करती है? वो ऑपोजिट साइड के मिडल से जाती है. If you look at this, like this one here, यहाँ पे कॉर्नर है, इट्स इन द कॉर्नर, बट अगर हम इसको ऑपोजिट साइड पे लेके जाते हैं तो यहाँ कॉर्नर नहीं मिला, यहाँ पे क्या है, साइड के बिल्कुल सेंटर में से निकल रहे हैं. सभी लाइंस ऐसे ही बनेंगी, एक तरफ कॉर्नर में से, और जब आप ऑपोजिट साइड पे जाओगे वहां पे क्या होगा, यू विल बी इन द मिडल ऑफ द ऑपोजिट साइड. जस्ट लुक एट द नेक्स्ट लाइन, यू विल सी. Again, this is the corner, and on the opposite side we have the center of the side. This is how you have to draw. Practice it. Do practice. Again, a regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. All its 5 sides are equal. All 5 angles are equal. Now, this is a hexagon. What type of hexagon do you think it is? It is a
Regular.
Is it a regular hexagon? Is it a regular hexagon?
Regular
Yes,
hexagon.
ma'am.
Yes, that's important. You need to
Yes, ma'am.
specify whether or not it's regular or not. So it will have 6 lines of symmetry. Vertical, horizontal. Then from the corner to the opposite corner. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. From the corners, can you see? Now, where do you think other lines would be?
Ma'am, from a line to the opposite line.
Yes, middle of the opposite sides. Between 2 and 3? And then there will be this one, between 2 and 4. So we have 6 lines of symmetry. So that's all with this one. I hope it's clear now. Now I'm going to discuss with the work that we have. This is what we have from chapter number 14, Symmetry, exercise 14.1. It's on page number 268, 269, 270. I think it's on 3 pages. But we are not doing the questions which are in the book. We are going only the last 4 questions. Question number 7, 8, and 9, 10. So you have some shapes and you have to draw lines of symmetry. So this one here is equilateral triangle. The first part, yes?
मैम इस चैप्टर में से सिर्फ 4 क्वेश्चंस ही आने हैं।
Yes. So equilateral.
इतना छोटा सा चैप्टर है।
हाँ जी इतना छोटा। Because बेटा see, you have only 2 days. You have your class only 2 days a week, so it's not possible for us to do the whole book. There are changes in syllabus of all the classes, all the subjects. There is a reduction in work. So right now, keeping in mind, we have like reduced the work, which will not be required in higher classes. So we have equilateral triangle. We just discussed that this has 3 lines of symmetry. Then we have isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. Can anyone tell me what is the property of isosceles triangle? Which triangle is called isosceles triangle?
A triangle
Which
with
has
two
two
equal
sides equal.
Which have
Yes.
2 sides equal and 1 not.
Yes, 2 sides are equal and the third one is not. What do you think about scalene triangle?
all lines have different lengths.
That's correct. All 3 sides are of different length. And this type of triangle has no line of symmetry. And then we have square. How many lines of symmetry does a square have?
4 lines of symmetry.
4 lines of symmetry. That's correct. Let's look at the next parts. We have rectangle. Rectangle has how many lines of symmetry?
2 lines of symmetry.
2 lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. For rhombus,
2 lines of symmetry.
2 lines of
2
symmetry.
lines of symmetry.
2 lines of symmetry.
I think you people can recall from last year. आपको थोड़ा सा याद आ गया होगा, हमने last year भी सारा काम किया हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. What do you think about a parallelogram?
No line of
No line of symmetry.
No line of
No
symmetry.
line of symmetry.
A quadrilateral. Now this is the part which students were asking. A quadrilateral. जब तक आपको बताया ना जाए कि quadrilateral कौन सा है, अगर वो बोलेंगे rectangle, then you will say 2 lines. If they say rhombus, then you will say 2 lines. If they say square, you would say 4 lines. But अगर वो simply quadrilateral बोल रहे हैं, हमें क्या पता कैसा है, तो हम बोलेंगे कि उसकी कोई line of symmetry नहीं होती. ठीक है? अगर वो सिंपली क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोल रहे हैं, बिकॉज उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं किया कि हमारे पास जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है वो कौन सी टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, तब तक हम बता नहीं सकते कि उसकी सिमेट्री होगी या नहीं होगी. सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू से दैट हैज नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. And this is we what discussed now, a regular hexagon. I have taken the picture from the presentation itself. Then a circle. A circle is a shape with infinite lines of symmetry. You can draw as many lines as you can draw right through the center. Now this is important since it's infinite, unlimited. It's not possible to show all the lines of symmetry. It is not possible to show all lines of symmetry. So what we do is we only show a few. You can only show 3, 4. Achyut, do you have a question?
Yes,
You're moving around.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I suggest कि ma'am 1 line होगी ना?
Which one? Beta, Achyut, listen, Achyut. First of all, you need to sit down at a place, sit properly and study. And I will discuss the parts which I have given. Gurleen, beta, your microphone is on. Kindly raise your hand if you have a question. Yes, Harnevas.
मैम क्वाड्रिलेटरल की मैम स्लैंटिंग लाइन नहीं बन सकती?
बेटा नहीं, अगर हमें पता नहीं है कौन सी साइड्स इक्वल हैं, कौन सी नहीं है, मतलब दिस इज समथिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब तक हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? और लाइक हाउ डू वी नो वेदर और नॉट द क्वाड्रिलेटरल विल हैव सिमेट्री और नॉट इज अनलेस दे राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल. जब तक वो नाम नहीं बताएंगे ना कोई और, like if they say parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, ऐसा नाम नहीं बताएंगे, तब तक हम यही बोलेंगे कि इसकी कोई सिमेट्री नहीं है. जब वो नेम बोलेंगे तब हमें yes, then we can answer for sure that how many lines will the quadrilateral have, or maybe it will have no line of symmetry like a parallelogram. Even if they tell us that it's a parallelogram, we know parallelogram looks symmetrical, but it is not. We will draw a line, but if we try to fold it, it will not be symmetrical. And you can try it with paper cutting and folding if you want. Now we
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
yes. Thank for it's all right, beta. Just a minute. Can't open the participants list. Bhavleen, yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, if figure has equality lines, then it has symmetry.
Yes, the sides need to be equal. Only then we can divide it symmetrically.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, these are the letters which I had sent. I have drawn the lines of symmetry for all the letters here. And the question actually discusses a reflectional symmetry. अगर हम mirror में देखते हैं letters को, so rather than line symmetry or mirror symmetry, you can just simply think whether or not a letter will be symmetrical or not by thinking that if you can divide it into two equal parts, if you can divide it into equal parts, exactly identical parts, then the letter will have line of symmetry. And always draw capital letters. Always draw capital letters to see. So some have one vertical line, some have one horizontal line, some have both, and some have no line of symmetry at all. I will be sharing the assignment of this chapter, and there I have put this question कि आपको वो वाले letters लिखने हैं जिनमें सिर्फ vertical line of symmetry होती है, जिनमें सिर्फ horizontal line of symmetry होती है, जिनमें both होती है, vertical भी होती है और horizontal भी होती है, and the ones which have no line of symmetry at all. So right now we are just looking at the letters with vertical lines. So जिन में vertical है, that's part A, जिनमें horizontal है वो part B है, और जिनमें दोनों थी वो कौन सा है, part C है. I think everyone must have done this question on their own. This one was very easy.
Ma'am, we had the same question in 6th grade as well.
Yes, that's correct, Sahajpreet. Very good. After this, we have the next part. Question number 9, the shapes with no line of symmetry. So you can write down any other shape which you can think of from your day-to-day life also. I think you can just answer.
Ma'am, trapezium.
Yes, that's correct. You can say trapezium. Trapezium has no line of symmetry. You can give the answer that also. I've written only 3. You can give the example of your hand also. Am I correct? Is hand symmetrical?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are correct.
That right? So you can. Sorry.
मैम हैंड सिमेट्रिकल होता है मैम, वो नॉन सिमेट्रिकल कैसे लिखना है?
आपको पूछा है कि आपने वो वाली शेप्स बतानी है जो सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होती, तो हैंड सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होता बेटा. Can you divide your like hand? Can you draw a line? Two parts should be equal, vertically, horizontally.
No, ma'am.
No,
It's not
ma'am.
possible, right? So you can think of example from day-to-day life also. It's not necessary that you have to give example of a shape we have drawn. From day-to-day life, you can think. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 10th is where you want to tell what is the name you can give to the line of symmetry for isosceles triangle and for circle. So for isosceles triangle, the line that we draw is median. You can mention that we are going to discuss this. This will be discussed in detail in chapter 6. चैप्टर 6 आपका ट्रायंगल्स का चैप्टर है, उसमें हमने ट्रायंगल की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़नी है, तो हम मीडियन के बारे में, इस मीडियन के बारे में वहां पे डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. For now, you can just remember that this line of symmetry for isosceles triangle, the triangle that we have is isosceles. इसकी line of symmetry को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Median. And for a circle, I think everyone knows the line of symmetry is actually the diameter of
Diameter.
it's actually the diameter of the circle. Now we have some additional parts, out of which this one I discussed with you, regular pentagon. It has 5 lines of symmetry. Now I'll just draw a pentagon here, not regular, simply pentagon. So you can draw this way. So these are 2 lines. This is the 3rd line. Let's take 5th line, very long, and just draw it properly. So
मैम अगर रेगुलर लिखा तो हम जितना मर्जी साइज का ले सकते हैं वो.
yes. Now what do you think, is this symmetrical?
No, ma'am.
This is not symmetrical. So when they say pentagon, it may or may not be symmetrical. You will have to look at the shape. But when they say regular, it will definitely be symmetrical. Uski pakka hi 5 lines hoंगी. And now look at this shape, kite. What do you think about kite?
One line of symmetry.
1 line of symmetry. Upar wali, yes. These lines are shorter. Top ones, the bottom 2 are longer. So this will be vertically, yes. And then we have trapezium. Trapezium will have no line of symmetry, but isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means
2 lines are same.
so this side and this side are equal. The opposite sides. These are equal. That's why it will have 1 line of symmetry. I hope it's clear. Anyone with any questions? Yes, Aryan?
No, ma'am.
Aryan, beta, you have raised your hand.
मैम वो गलती से ऊपर.
Okay. So I think with this our chapter number 14 is complete. And after this, we are going to start with chapter number 15. We are going to do chapter number 15. Okay, one thing you can just write down here, after this, exercise 14.2 and exercise 14.3. They are not in syllabus. You can just write that down. And then we will start with chapter number 15 from new page. Please write down the date and the chapter's name. The chapter's name is Visualizing Solid Shapes. And from this chapter, we are going to do exercise 15.3.
नहीं मेरे से हेक्सागन नहीं बन रहा जी यही.
From chapter number 15, only exercise 15.
नहीं मेरे से इक्वल साइड नहीं बन रही, इसकी सिमेट्री नहीं बन रही.
Ashrit.
पेज
And this is on page number 288.
मैम हमने चैप्टर 15 में से सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन करना है.
Only this exercise.
मैम उस
15.3.
एक्सरसाइज में तो एक ही क्वेश्चन है.
I know. There's only one question in this exercise. And if you look at this question, there is a word which is used, which is this. Cross section. Right? This is the word which is used. Cross section.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the first thing we want to understand is what is a cross section. Now we are going to study about solid shapes. Solid shapes are actually your 3D shapes. Can anyone tell me what are 3D shapes?
cuboid and sphere.
Three-dimensional shapes.
That's correct,
Cube,
Aryan
cuboid.
and Palak, that's correct. Cube, cuboid are the examples of 3D shapes. What do you think about the shapes we just discussed in symmetry? हमने square के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने circle के बारे में पढ़ा. What type of shapes are these?
Two-dimensional.
And two-dimensional.
These are 2D shapes. Now you have given me examples for 3D shapes as cube and cuboid, etc. Right? And you're saying these square, circle are all 2D shapes. What is the difference?
Ma'am, that the
Cube-
3D
A
shapes are
cube has
volume.
6
They
sides
contain-
and a square has only one face. Cube
Other
has
than
6
that,
faces.
no. I'm just talking about how is a square different from a cube?
Ma'am, square is flat while
Square-
cube contains
6
volume.
squares make 1 cube.
Okay, we have 2 answers. That's correct. Palak is saying that square is a flat shape, whereas cube is not. And Bhavya is saying if we join together 6 squares, we get a cube. That's perfectly correct. Now, we will be focusing on the part which Palak mentioned, that square is a flat shape and cube is not. Now, if you have a square piece of paper lying on your bed, you lie down on it, would you realize it? That there is a piece of paper underneath.
No, ma'am.
What if I place a cube on your bed and you lie on it?
Ma'am, we feel that there is cube on the bed.
Yes, you will feel